Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. It's me Makings, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips on how I was able to make band 7 in my IELTS speaking test in one sitting. And one of the funniest part is that I did not even prepare for this test. Now imagine if I prepared for it. That means it's just band 9 straight. And so everything I'm going to be sharing with you guys here is 100% legit, not forming or anything. This is the tips on how I was able to get band 7 in my IELTS speaking test. So what happened is that when I was preparing to take this IELTS test, when I registered it, so I was looking for material online, especially for my IELTS speaking test, the resources that will put me through on how I'm going to take the IELTS speaking test. But unfortunately for me, I couldn't find anything reasonable because every YouTube channel I come across kept on saying the same thing, like, and what they are saying is do a lot of exercise, practice how to speak English, watch British movies, and so on and so forth. But the truth is that I'm a busy kind of person. I mean, I work from Monday till Sunday. I don't even have time for my own self, not to talk of time to start preparing. And not just that, I don't have people who speaks English around me. Like, I mean, I live in a place where native language is being spoken more than English language. So I kept on searching online until I saw this short article that did it for me. This article was everything for me, just short article. So everything said on that short article is what I used in going for that IELTS speaking test and then coming out with band 7. Like after reading it, just reading it, the following day I went for the IELTS speaking test exam. That's it. So even when I was taking the test, I knew that I'm not going to come out with anything less than band 7. So, and everything I'm going to say here is what actually did it for me. So, but before I get started in sharing these tips with you guys, please and please make sure to like and share this video because it's just a simple way you can support us. Just share this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel so that once we release another educative and informative video like this one, you'll be notified. So keep watching, guys. Welcome back once again, guys. So the first tip I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video, which is the most important tip that did it for me, most especially, is self-confidence. Confidence is everything you need to succeed in this IELTS speaking test, especially if it's your first time of attempting IELTS exams. What confidence does for you is that confidence is what will make you to see those questions you are being asked by the interviewer as a sort of a question asked by a friend that you know in order to create a conversation. So with confidence, you can answer those questions because those questions they are going to ask you on that day is just a day-to-day question that you always hear and about things that you've already been seeing all your life. So it gets you comfortable while sitting on that seat as long as they are still asking you questions. Confidence makes you enjoy the atmosphere of the IELTS speaking test. So without that confidence, you will be like, I want to live here. Your brain will be echoing, I want to live here, I want to live here. But with that confidence, get comfortable answering all the questions. I mean, sitting for as long as you are still permitted to sit down there. So that's what confidence does for you. And with confidence, every other tip I'm going to share here will also align. You will understand why the other ones follows. Number two tip you need to know that also did it for me is that you need to be loud and clear. When I mean loud and clear here, I don't mean you should shout or scream on top of your voice. No. What I mean here is that you need to be audible. I mean, audible enough for the recorder to record what you are saying because every question you are being asked in that IELTS speaking test is being recorded, and you will also be told that this test is being recorded. You will see the recorder there. The recorder will always be at the center of the table between you who is being asked the questions and the person who is asking you questions. So the recorder records everything you are saying. So when you are not audible, the truth is that they won't tell you to be audible. But the hard truth also is that you will fail. So you need to be audible. So when you ask something like, "How are you doing?" you don't say fine. You need to say fine. Like, let the recorder catch what you are saying. Because if the recorder can't catch what you are saying or record what you are saying, you're already failing. There's no two ways about it. You fail. That's just the reality that people will tell you. Even those people that will tell you to go and practice a lot of this thing, they won't tell you about this tip about you must be audible so that the recorder will record what you are saying. So that's the number two tips. Another tip you need to have in mind while answering IELTS speaking test questions is that you don't answer questions with one word answers. No, you don't answer any questions with one word answer, especially questions from IELTS speaking test 2 and 3. You don't answer it with one word answer because the IELTS speaking test is divided into three: the first, the second, and the third. So the second and third is what looks like a conversation, but the first is like when they are getting to know you better. So when answering these questions, you don't answer it with one word answers. You answer it according to how the question is being asked. So example is, let's say they ask you, how excited are you being here today to take your IELTS speaking test? You don't just say things like, I'm excited, and you keep quiet. Or you say things like, I'm not excited, you keep quiet. Why are you not excited? Yeah, we know you are not excited. Why are you not excited? I'm not excited because this is my first time of taking this IELTS test, and I'm being a little bit nervous and not so comfortable being here. See? So you don't just say, I'm excited or I'm not excited, you keep quiet. Tell them why you are not excited. Tell them why you're excited. Tell them why you are partially excited, or so. So, but you don't just say one thing and just keep quiet like someone who is being forced to talk or who is being bullied. So you're not bullied, it's just a test. So you need to answer accordingly. So another tip which I'm going to be sharing with you here right now, which is the last but not the least tip, is that you need to keep on talking until you are told to stop. Now let me explain this one further. Whenever you are being asked a question in the IELTS speaking test by the interviewer is expecting you to give a detailed answer on the question you are being asked. Although they won't tell you this, but this is what they are expecting. So whenever you are being asked any question, you need to keep on talking and talking until you are told to stop or until you are interrupted by the interviewer. Especially in that part where you'll be given a topic to discuss for about 2 to 3 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes, I've forgotten, but around either 1 to 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. So, but you'll be given a topic along the line to discuss about. So, whenever you're being given that topic, make sure you keep on discussing that topic until you are told to stop, in as much as they've given you time like to be 2 to 3 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes, but don't just stop there. Keep on answering that question until you are being interrupted by the interviewer. And once you do this, trust me, it works like magic. And you see this tip I'm sharing with you here right now, I've shared it with so many people. I mean, recently my friend got band 9 in his IELTS speaking test with this same tip I'm sharing with you right here, right now. So thank you for watching. If you watch to this end, thank you for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that once we release another video like this one, you'll be notified. And then coming to the questions being asked in the IELTS exam, most people usually come to me to ask about related questions that they should be expecting in the IELTS speaking test. But the truth is that every question they are going to ask you there is a question that you are familiar with. There is no technical question there. You don't need to panic about the kind of question to expect or anything, or there is no complex question you should be looking out for. All the questions is just something you know about. especially if you're a social kind of person. If you're social, it will be even more easier for you to answer questions there. So that is just it. Thanks for watching once again, and I wish you good luck as you go inside that hall to take your IELTS speaking test. I wish you band 9. Anything less than band 9, I don't wish you. Thank you once again for watching, and bye for now.